Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'm reviewing this remote-controlled Chiphy floor lamp. I'm going to share a few things that I like about this lamp, along with what you should know in order to make a smart buying decision. So, let's dive in. As you can see, I purchased two of these lamps for either side of the fireplace in order to add some light in a dim living room. I went with a small size lamp, which is about 39 inches, and they come with everything that I need to set them up, including the dimmable bulbs, which last up to 50,000 hours and can easily be replaced. There's two ways to turn the lamp on, either with the remote control, which you can use from up to 50 feet away, and there's also a foot switch to turn it on or off with just one step. The remote also has a 30 to 60 minute timer function on it. Now, if you get two lamps like I did, they'll sync to the same remote, so you can use a single remote to turn them both on. Once on, they have 10 different levels of brightness, as you can see here, while I'm turning the brightness up, and now turning it down. There's also two bulbs that come with each light, and you can operate them separately with the remote as well. So let's actually take a peek into the lamp so you can see what I'm controlling with the remote. So now you can see the bulbs that come with it and how they operate by turning one off, or having both of them on for the full brightness. So as you can see, I get a lot of use out of these floor lamps, and if you're looking to brighten up a room along with adding an additional layer of style to your home, then I can definitely recommend checking out the Chiphy floor lamp as well. Enjoy.